Recently, I made a video comparing Solana with Algorand, and I must admit that I got a couple of things wrong. Firstly, Algorand's accelerated vesting is finished, and this happened shortly before the video went out. And secondly, Algorand has a handful of usable dApps with dozens more on the way. Mea culpa, folks. Now, given that Algorand's dApp ecosystem is only beginning to bloom, this presents a unique opportunity to get in early on brand new crypto projects. That's why today I'm going to do a long overdue Algorand tutorial and show you where you can find its next generation of altcoin gems. Before I show you the ropes, I have a disclaimer for you folks. Nothing in this video is financial advice, and that's not a joke. It's just educational content that will make you woke. Consult a financial advisor before investing, or you might go broke. If this is your first time here, my name is Guy and I make crypto crystal clear. I do this by dishing out some of the highest quality crypto content you'll ever know. Coins, tokens, news, reviews, exchanges, DeFi protocols, and market moves are just a few of the topics I tackle here at the Coin Bureau. If you want to learn, subscribing to the channel and pinging that notification bell is a great way to make your brain burn. Note that there are timestamps down below that you can use to skip over any subjects you already know. Remember, though, that watching the whole way through will help this channel grow. So, now you're in tune with my crypto flow, let me show you what you can do with Algo. But first, a quick recap. Algorand was founded in 2017 by MIT professor Silvio Micali. Algorand was built by Algorand Inc., and its development is coordinated by the Algorand Foundation. Algorand's mainnet went live in 2019, and Algorand is still technically in development. Algorand uses a novel consensus mechanism called Pure Proof of Stake, which makes it possible to process around 1,100 transactions per second. As I mentioned in my last video about Algorand, an upcoming upgrade will make it possible for Algorand to process more than 46,000 transactions per second. Algorand's impressive TPS also applies to smart contract transactions, which is not the case for many other smart contract cryptocurrencies. This is because Algorand has its own virtual machine, whereas most other smart contract cryptos leverage Ethereum's virtual machine, which has TPS constraints built into it. As far as I understand, Algorand only recently released the Algorand virtual machine, which is why I was under the impression that no dApps had deployed yet. That said, I did know that Algorand has had smart contract functionality since late 2019, which is why I was surprised to find out that Algorand's first dApp had only deployed in June this year. In any case, I stand corrected. Now, Algorand currently has more than a dozen dApps that are ready to use, and as you'll soon see, some of these are seriously legit. As for Algorand's accelerated vesting, I'm not quite convinced that Algo's tokenomic woes are over, but that's a topic for another time. Now, if you have no idea what all of this is about, you probably missed my Solana versus Algorand video, and you can check it out using the link in the top right. When it comes to using Algorand, the first thing you need to do is create a dApp-compatible Algorand wallet, and you have three options: the Algo Signer browser extension wallet, the Algorand mobile wallet, or the MyAlgo web wallet. Although I'll be using the MyAlgo web wallet for this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up all three wallets since they're quite different. So, starting with the Algo Signer browser extension wallet, find the download page in the Chrome Web Store and click Add to Chrome. Once added, open up the extension and click Get Started. Come up with a suitable password and consider writing it down somewhere safe so you don't forget. After clicking Create Wallet, click on Add Account and select Create New Account. Enter an account name and then click Continue. You'll be shown the seed phrase that you can use to recover your wallet. Although it can be copied in a click, be sure to write it down just in case something happens to your computer. After confirming that you've securely stored your mnemonic phrase, click Continue. You will then have to re-enter your entire wallet seed, and unfortunately, pasting it is not an option. After that, you'll have to enter your password, which I conveniently forgot the first time around. Once that's done, click on your wallet name to open up the wallet info. You can find your wallet address by clicking on the three little dots on the right-hand side. As you might have gathered, Algo Signer is essentially Algorand's MetaMask. The only issue is that it's not currently supported by all of Algorand's dApps, hence why I won't be using it for the purposes of this tutorial. Even so, I'll quickly show you how it works using the Tinyman DEX. Click on Connect to a Wallet in the top right, select Algo Signer, and grant access in your browser extension. You'll then have to opt in, and this requires entering your password. And note that you'll have to do this every time you transact with an Algorand dApp, which is a bit annoying, just saying. I reckon it's one of the reasons why many Algonauts go for the Algorand mobile wallet instead. The Algorand mobile wallet is available on both Android and iOS devices. To download it, simply search for Algorand Wallet in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and click Install. Once installed, open the app and click on Add Account, and then click on Add Account again on the next page. After that, click on Create New Account. Here, you'll be given a message telling you about how your wallet can't be recovered if you lose your phone, forget your password, or accidentally uninstall the app. Click I understand. Next, you'll be given a message telling you to write down the wallet seed phrase you're about to be shown, so get a pen and paper ready and then click I'm ready to begin. Note that you have no other option than to write down the wallet seed somewhere, as you're unable to take screenshots of it due to the app settings. Once you're done writing down your wallet seed, click Next. You'll then be asked to recall a random selection of words from the wallet seed you just wrote down. Click Next when you're done, and then Next on the pop-up that tells you the passphrase was verified. Give a nifty name to your wallet if you want, click Finish Account Creation, and you're all set. Now, thanks to a recent integration with Wallet Connect, you can interact with Algorand dApps using the Algorand mobile wallet. Using Yieldy as an example, click on Connect Wallet in the top right, select Algorand Wallet, and scan the QR code that comes up. This can be done by clicking on the icon next to the plus button in the top right of the Algorand wallet. You'll be given a prompt to connect your Algorand wallet to the dApp, and after you click Connect, your wallet information should show up in the top right on the dApp's website. Note that you'll have to sign every dApp transaction in the Algorand wallet, which can get a bit tedious at times. This is one of the many reasons why I personally prefer the MyAlgo wallet. So, to set up the MyAlgo wallet, find your way to the MyAlgo wallet website and click on any of the two access buttons on the homepage. You'll be given a disclaimer about the importance of keeping your wallet seed safe. Check the Terms of Service box and click Continue. You'll then be asked to create a password, and once you've done that, click Continue. The page you're given next has a whole bunch of options, and the one you're looking for is New Wallet. Click on that. You'll again be given a disclaimer about storing your wallet seed. Click Continue. Naturally, what you have here is your wallet seed, and I'd like to give a shout out to whoever designed this page because it's pretty damn nice. So, to see your wallet seed, simply hover over the cards with your cursor. If you prefer, you can click on the Show All button at the top to turn all the cards over. While you should always write down your wallet seed on a physical piece of paper, I will note that you can copy and paste your wallet seed here if you so choose. Pro tip, don't just use the copy button for this. Just click and drag your cursor across all the cards when they're flipped over. This will automatically number each word when you paste it into a document. Now, once you've done that, click on the notice at the bottom to confirm that you've written down your wallet seed and click Continue. Next, you'll need to identify a randomly selected set of seed phrase words, and once you've done that, you'll have to give your wallet a name. This is mandatory, unlike in the Algorand mobile wallet. Click Create Wallet, enter your password, and boom, voila, your Algorand wallet is ready. So, now that you've set up your Algorand wallet, you'll need to load up on some Algo coins. Algo is available on just about every single cryptocurrency exchange, and my personal preference is Binance. If you don't have a Binance account yet, be sure to check out my Binance tutorial using the link in the top right. I also have a 40% fee discount over there for you folks. Anyways, once you've purchased some Algo on your preferred crypto exchange, head on over to the MyAlgo wallet and copy your wallet address at the top of the screen. Paste this into the address section of the Algorand withdrawal page on the exchange and make sure to double check that all the details are correct. It shouldn't take longer than 5 minutes for your algos to show up in your wallet, unless you're using a lesser-known exchange, in which case the withdrawal times might be a bit longer. Now that you've got some algo in your wallet, you're ready to interact with some Algorand dApps. And our first stop today is a recently released decentralized exchange called Tinyman. As you can see, Tinyman is an automated market maker similar to Uniswap. To connect the My Algo wallet to Tinyman, click on Connect to a Wallet in the top right and select My Algo Wallet from the menu. Once you've done that, you should get a pop-up prompting you to enter your My Algo Wallet password. After entering your password, you'll have to click on the wallet you're connecting to Tinyman, since you can create many wallets in the My Algo wallet. In this case, I only have one to choose from. Now, after clicking Connect, you'll be given one final pop-up that asks you to opt in to Tinyman. Click Opt in and then approve the transaction in the new window that pops up for the My Algo wallet. You'll have to enter your password again as well. After a few seconds, you should see your wallet address show up in the top right-hand corner of the Tinyman app. Because I want to stake on Yieldy with its YLDY token, I'm going to buy some with my algo. To open up the list of available tokens on Tinyman, click into the box where it says Select a token or paste the ID. Scroll down a bit and click See All. This will give you a long list of all the most popular tokens on Tinyman, and YLDY is conveniently right at the top, so I don't have to do any searching. If the token you're searching for isn't on the list and doesn't show up when you search for it, you'll have to enter the token address manually. To do this, head on over to the Algo Explorer and search for the token there. Once you've found it, make sure to double-check that the token ID number matches the information in the documentation of the project the token belongs to. This token ID number is what you'll need to paste into the search bar in Tinyman, and your token should show up. Note that in this case I'm using the Smile token as an example, and it has a green checkmark next to it simply because it's been verified as being the correct token ID number for that asset. This checkmark won't show up for lesser-known Algorand tokens, so really do make sure to double-check that ID number. Once you've found the token you want, input the amount of algo you want to swap for it. In this case, I'm going to swap about half my algo for YLDY. Scroll down and then click Opt in. You'll then be given a pop-up by the My Algo wallet where you'll have to click Continue and enter your wallet password again. Once your algo has been opted in, click on Swap and then Confirm Swap. You'll be given a pop-up window again where you'll have to click Confirm and, of course, enter your wallet password. The swap took about 5 seconds, and to my surprise, I got some excess YLDY tokens, which I believe is just the slippage from the swap. When I go over to the My Algo wallet screen and click on My Algo balance at the top, I can see that YLDY is just below it. If the token you swapped for doesn't show up in your wallet, you'll have to enter the token ID number manually by clicking the plus button that shows up when you click on your algo balance in the My Algo wallet. So, now that I've got my YLDY, I'm going to head over to Yieldy to stake it. Yieldy is actually the first dApp that deployed to Algorand, and it's the only one that's currently tracked by DeFi Llama. Yieldy has a whole load of features, most of which involve gambling games. Yieldy also has a bridge where you can transfer select tokens between Ethereum and Algorand, which I won't demo because ETH fees are crazy expensive right now. On that note, you can get my tips on how to save ETH gas by clicking the link in the top right. Anyways, Yieldy also has a handful of staking pools where you can earn its YLDY token, Algo, and a handful of other Algorand tokens. To connect your Algorand wallet to Yieldy, click Connect Wallet on the top right and select the Algorand wallet you're using. If you're using MyAlgo, like I am, you'll get a pop-up asking you to enter your password, at which point you will have to select your wallet again and then click Connect. Your YLDY and/or Algo balance should show up in the top right of the screen next to your wallet address. Next, click on the Staking Pools tab on the left-hand side. Here, you'll be given a list of different assets you can get for staking YLDY along with the estimated APY. Now, I happen to be interested in earning some Opal, which is the token belonging to Opulus, a self-described DeFi platform for the music industry. To do that, I expand the YLDY Opal tab by clicking on it and then clicking Stake. I'll then have to do a series of opt-ins to allow Yieldy to interact with the tokens in my wallet. Pop-up, password, that whole thing. So once that's done, I'm ready to stake. So I click Stake again and then select the maximum amount of YLDY in my wallet because, hey, I'm a high roller. I will then have to confirm the transaction in my wallet with the pop-up and password. And once that's done, I can see that my YLDY is staked. Any staking rewards can be withdrawn periodically according to the timer that's shown in the info box. In this case, that's 7 hours, and ain't nobody got time for that. As such, I'm going to reclaim my YLDY and take my business elsewhere by clicking Withdraw, selecting the maximum amount, pop-up and password, and we're back where we began, minus a few fractions of algo for the transaction fees. Because no tutorial is complete without NFTs, the last dApp I want to show you today is Algo Gems, one of Algorand's many NFT marketplaces. The first order of business is to connect your wallet, which you can do by clicking the lock in the top right of the screen. Select yours from the list and go through the motions, pop-up, select, password, yada yada. Algo Gems will then ask you which wallet address it should interact with. Click on the appropriate address and then go through the motions again. Once you're done, you should get a screen that looks like this. You are now ready to mint your very own Algorand NFT. So, start by clicking on the Create button in the top right. Select the picture you want to upload and then click Let's Go. Here you'll be able to enter a few details about your NFT and set any royalty fees. Once you've done that, scroll down a bit and press Mint NFT. If your transaction happens to fail the way it did for me the first time around, make sure to check that your browser isn't blocking the My Algo pop-up. This was the case for me, and unblocking it was the fix. After a few seconds, you'll get a message confirming that your NFT was minted and you're now ready to put it up for sale. Click Let's Go. Here you'll get the option to put your NFT up for sale or run an auction with a starting price in Algos. I'm going to go for the flat price because I'm not an artist by any stretch of the imagination. Click Sell NFT, complete the pop-up windows, and that's it. Your NFT is up for sale, and now you can wait and see if someone buys it. Now, in all seriousness, make sure you do your research into any NFTs before you buy them, because the last thing you want to do is spend your algos on a worthless JPEG. If you're wondering how to tell if an NFT has potential, you can refer to my recent OpenSea tutorial and check out the section about that using the timestamps. It's up there in the top right. Now, to wrap things up, I want to quickly tell you where you can find up-and-coming Algorand projects. Though there doesn't seem to be an official dApp directory, someone in the Algorand community created a dApp tracker, which I'll leave in the video description. I'm sure the list is not exhaustive though, so be sure to keep a close eye on the Algorand Twitter account for any new project shoutouts. Remember to do your research before you put a penny down, and I have a full tutorial for you in the description if you need it. And that's all for today's Algorand tutorial, folks. Hit that like button if you liked what you saw, and let me know which Algorand projects you're watching by dropping me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to ping that notification bell to get a heads up when the next video hits the tube. Now, I happen to have a second channel if you didn't already know. Coin Bureau Clips is where you can get some behind the scenes, AMAs, original skits, and more. Current events have me using Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram as my vent, so be sure to follow me there too. If you're struggling to keep up with the crypto market, joining my Telegram is what you should do. Better yet, subscribe to my weekly newsletter to get a look at my portfolio and what videos I'm planning to do. If you want to look as cool as ice while doing all of the above, head on over to the Coin Bureau merch store and get yourself a sweater or beanie. It's that time of year after all. You'll find these and many other resources in the video description. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you again before you know it. Until then, my friends.